Oh no! Working cars are covered in mud. Let's wash the muddy cars in a washing machine. Ah! Cars are coming here. Police car and ambulance want to drive on the slide and fall into the mud. Please be careful, guys. Yeah! The police car crashed into the mud. Wow! It's covered in mud. Next is the ambulance. Go, go, go! Yeah! Success! Oh no! He got mud on his face. Ah! A garbage truck came to visit us.
Hey you guys are covered in mud. How do you guys go home?
You are right. They have to wash their body and remove the mud.
Oh yeah, I have something good. I found this in the trash. Look, it's a washing machine.
Wow, amazing! But will this washing machine work properly? Let's take a look. First, I'll put some water in this. Switch on. Oh wow, it started moving.
Let's put the dirty cars into the washing machine and wash them clean.
Alright, first of all, I'll put dirty police car into the washing machine. Okay, start. I wonder if it will be clean. The police car started to move around and around. I'm kind of dizzy too. Stop! Let's check the police car. Wow, it looks so clean. The washing machine removed the mud. We will wash this ambulance next. This car is super muddy. I wonder if the washing machine can clean this. This ambulance is a little big. Oh, it fits. Switch on. My eyes go round and round. It's getting cleaner and cleaner. Wow, the mud is all gone. Garbage truck, thank you for finding this machine. It seems interesting, so I'll follow the garbage truck.
I have to go back to work. I'll collect the garbage in the garbage can.
Wow, a big trash can. Whoa! Working cars have come out. Because they were in the trash can, it seems they are really dirty. Oh, maybe we can wash these dirty cars in that washing machine we used.
Oh, good. Please get on me. I'll take you guys.
Alright, everyone got on. Let's go back to where the washing machine is. Hey, ambulance and police car. We are back. We want to wash these dirty cars in the washing machine.
Oh, they are really dirty. Let's wash them.
Maybe this ladder truck is a little too big. Let's put the ladder and body in separately. Okay, it's in. I wonder if the ladder truck got clean too.
Why don't you put some soap to make it cleaner?
Alright, I'll put some soap in. Wow, thanks to the blue bubbles, the ladder truck is getting cleaner and cleaner. The ladder truck is clean. I am glad your ladder is so clean too. Next are these small cars. Let's wash them. Because you guys are small, we can wash 2 cars at the same time. I'll put the soap in for them too. Wow, they are sinking into the bubbles. Yeah, small fire truck is clean. This one is a small garbage truck. He is clean too. Now you guys can drive on the road. Here you go.
I'm glad you guys became so clean.
Everyone, how was the video today? It was fun to wash the cars in the washing machine. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Bye-bye.